Unraveling words. Using context clues in the ACT reading test. Hey there, English language learners. Today we're diving into a crucial skill for the ACT reading test. Using context clues for vocabulary. Ever come across a word you don't recognize? Don't worry, context clues can be your guiding light. Let's explore how. Whenever you're reading and stumble upon a word you don't know, the surrounding words, often known as context clues, can help you decipher its meaning. These clues might hint directly at the definition, suggest a similar word, or even tell you the opposite of what the word means. Let's get familiar with the different kinds of context clues. 1. Definition, explanation clues. The text directly provides the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: herpetology, the study of reptiles, fascinated him. 2. Synonym clues. The unfamiliar word is likened to a familiar term. Example: she was elated, or extremely happy, with her test results. 3. Antonym, contrast clues. The text gives the opposite meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: unlike his boisterous brother, Sam was reticent. 4. Example clues. The text gives examples that help infer the word's meaning. Example: he loved aquatic activities, such as swimming, diving, and kayaking. 5. Mood, emotion clues. The overall mood or emotions can provide hints. Example: he felt desolate. No one called, visited, or even remembered his birthday. By recognizing these clues, you can often deduce the meaning of words even if you've never seen them before. 1. Don't panic. Just because you don't know a word doesn't mean the answer is out of reach. Stay calm and look for clues. 2. Reread surrounding sentences. Sometimes the sentence before or after the challenging word will offer the most helpful clues. 3. Eliminate answers. On the ACT, sometimes it's easier to eliminate wrong answers than to find the right ones straight away. Use context to get rid of choices that definitely don't fit. 4. Guess, but smartly. If you have no idea and time is running out, make an educated guess. Using the context can increase your odds of choosing the right answer. 5. Practice. The more you practice reading and using context clues, the better you'll get. Try reading articles or books slightly above your level to challenge yourself. Remember, even the most advanced readers encounter unfamiliar words. The power of context clues is like having a secret tool in your pocket. We hope this video helps you feel more confident tackling the ACT reading test. Best of luck, and keep practicing.